Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add a client user to multiple projects in Zoho Projects. All right, so first up, let's go ahead over to the top right, click on the gear icon right here. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead over to Manage Users in the left panel. Now in here, let's go ahead over to Client Users, okay? So just go ahead and click on Invite Client Users, like so. Write down the email ID, and if you want to, you could go ahead and add them as a contact as well. Select the correct customer type, individual or business, and the rate per hour and cost per hour. Okay. Now in here, the most important part is just by selecting all of your projects, okay, or multiple projects. Let's say for this project group, I'm going to go ahead and add them to these two right here. All right, just basically select the projects, and once selected, just click on invite right here, and you're good to go. That is it. All right, just make sure that the currency right here also reflects to the project's currency. Okay, if not, as you can see here, we'll have an error. It says project cannot be associated as customer is linked to a different currency. Make sure again to select the correct currency. Now once done, you can now go ahead and click on invite. And that is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.